So I had a user request on how to find certain sand units in an oil and gas field, so we'll go through that in this tutorial. So we'll go to sonris.com here, document access. Once the document access screen loads, we'll go to document type. And field orders, we're going to look for all the field orders in the Caspiana field, which is where this user's area of concern is. So we'll click field orders. And under the field code, if you just start typing the name, it'll give you the available oil and gas fields that meet that criteria, and you click search. You have to make sure your pop-ups are allowed. If you have pop-up blockers turned on, then it won't let this page pop up, but once you allow pop-ups, this page will come up, and then click the Excel document associated with this oil and gas field, click OK. And this user, for instance, was interested in finding sand SU90. So as you can see, there's 999 records, field orders associated with the Caspiana field. So instead of manually scrolling through everything, we will Control F and we'll look for SU90. There's one, and if you click on the hyperlink embedded in the document, it'll open the window and you'll get the field order associated with that unit. And it'll typically, if needed, will include a map of the affected sand unit, and SU90 is right here. So that's one with SU90. Let's go back to the Excel document. If we hit the next one, where did it go? As you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 links associated with SU90. So we could click on each one. Here's the next one. We could click each one and get the documents associated with that. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Hope this helps.